how to add multiple pictures to your Instagram stories. So if you ever wanted to add multiple pictures on your same story, it's real easy to do. So go to your Instagram and go to your profile at the top left corner, and we're going to add a story. So here we can choose a picture, and let's say we just kind of want to make this a little bit smaller. So to add more pictures on top of this, all you have to do is go to the sticker icon at the top of the screen, and you're going to get all these different kinds of options, and you just want to select photo, and you can go through and add different types of pictures, and you can do as many as you want. See, as I'm adding all these different photos, and then you can go ahead and add music on top of this, different effects, but then you would just hit the arrow at the bottom right hand corner, and you would go ahead and go share your story on Instagram, and if you have it linked, it'll share it to your Facebook story as well. And that's it. It's really easy to add different types of photos or different types of effects or even videos on your Instagram stories in one story. And that's it.